Okay guys, as you can see, all features have been added successfully. So let me click on settings, so let me click change the speed. And guys, hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got spoofer settings for my Pokemon Go game, guys. Absolutely free, safe and online, guys, without downloading any mod or anything amazing, guys. It's working perfect on both Android and iOS devices. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website called Upload, then type in search Pokemon Go, and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Pokemon Go trainer code. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open the game, click on avatar down below, click on friends, click on add friends, and then you will find your Pokemon Go trainer code. Make sure to copy. Okay, let's get back to the R tool and paste it just like that. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found and our user ID successfully connected. The next step is to select our extra features that we want to add to our account, guys. So I will select everything so we can test if it actually works. So guys, down here we have location. So if you want custom location, you can paste it here. I don't really need it. I will just click continue, guys. And let's see the next step. So AP connecting, guys. So if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Pokemon Go, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with the new tutorials. So guys, let's go to the next step. Okay, AP connected. So the next step, scroll down and you will have this message, I'm not a robot. Just click there, guys. And guys, now we are on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher from the app or downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and I will download Play for Rewards and complete the task. So I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the boat check. Extra features are on the way, guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's see does it actually work. So let's see, guys. And guys, as you can see, we have a little joystick here. So the first settings have been added successfully. So let me click here and let's see everything else is working. Okay guys, we have this little star. Let me click here. Okay guys, as you can see, all features have been added successfully. So let me click on settings. So let me click change the speed. And guys, look at this, look at how this hack working, amazing. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.